Hola! It's Spanish time. My name is Zlata and I will be your guide through this beautiful language among some other interesting things. Welcome. Bienvenidos. Hola! Today I will teach you different ways to say that something is pretty, marvelous, amazing. Some synonyms. So hit the button subscribe and let's get started. Vamos! So, how many words for pretty you know in Spanish? Let me guess, the first one and the most basic one is bonito. Qué bonito! How beautiful! I will tell you now the four of the basic ones. So, bonito, bello, lindo, hermoso. These four all mean beautiful or pretty, and they can also be used for a female version such as bonita, bella, linda, hermosa, depending on the gender of the noun. Now let's move on to some words that describe something as even more than pretty, like something really nice. For example, maravilloso, maravilloso, magnífico, magnífico, sensacional, sensacional, gracioso, gracioso. We are not stopping here. Asombroso, asombroso, increíble, increíble, espléndido, espléndido, encantador, encantador. There is never enough opportunities to say that you really like something, so whenever you do, make sure to say how nice it is. And how. Adorable, adorable, precioso, precioso, impresionante, impresionante, grandioso, grandioso. The last four for today are extraordinario, extraordinario, deslumbrante, deslumbrante, glorioso, glorioso, and the last but not the least, ineffable, which means cannot be described with words. Ineffable. That's it for today. I really hope you liked this video and that you learned something new and that you are going to use all these beautiful synonyms of the verb nice, amazing, pretty, whatever. If you did like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and make sure to make time for Spanish time. Adios!